Create an avatar with artificial intelligence. Hey guys, good? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this video, I show you the website where you can create your avatar using artificial intelligence. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make diverse tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So guys, there's already another video on the artificial intelligence channel. If you have doubts about other subjects, I'll leave a playlist with other videos in the card. In this video, you learn how to create an exclusive avatar with artificial intelligence, being able to use the templates on the website or creating an avatar based on your photo. The site is this one, guys. It's d-id.com. Once you enter the site, you'll click here to test this tool. Here's a video quickly showing how DID works, but you can click here on Create Video. Here you can use the templates that are available on the website. There's a man, there's a woman, there's a gentleman, there's a lady, many different types that you can use. You can also generate an avatar by clicking here on Generate AI Presenter. Click and you can create an exclusive avatar of yours. As soon as you enter the site, you enter as a guest. First of all, let's quickly create an account on DID. Click here on Guest and click on the Login option to register. Here you're going to choose an email and create a password, or you can log in with a Google account or a LinkedIn account. So I'm going to use my email to create an account. I'll click here on this G. I've already created the account here quickly, creating the account with email. Quickly you can enter here in your login. Let's click again on Create Video, and when you're logged in, you can create your avatar based on a photo created with artificial intelligence. I'll click here on Add to add a photo. I've created a lot of avatars, I've created a lot of things with artificial intelligence. I'm going to add the playlist to the card now so you can learn how to create avatars and photos from your own images that you upload to the site. There's MIDI Journey. I'm adding it to the card now. Then you upload the photo. Since there's no video on the channel yet, I won't go into too much detail so the video doesn't get too lengthy. If you have any doubts, just click on the card to learn how to create these avatars. So I'm going to click on this avatar that I created, and he's going to create the avatar from a photo of me. I created this avatar on the MIDI Journey site. So there's already a full video on the channel showing how to create a photo of yourself with artificial intelligence. After you've uploaded the photo, you'll write the text you want this avatar to say up here. So I've put it here. Let's chat, guys, okay? Are you enjoying the video? I'm going to set the language to Portuguese down here, Portuguese Brazil. So it's going to add some voices that you can use for your avatar. So there's a female voice and a male voice. Let me see that here. You can experiment with the voices to see a voice similar to your own. So here, guys, I'm going to choose this voice, Humberto, Portuguese language. I put my text up here. You also can upload your voice to put on your avatar. If you want, just click here on Upload Your Own Voice and choose the audio that you've recorded to put here on your avatar. Whatever. Once everything is done, you're going to click up here to generate the video, and it's going to click Generate down here. Hey guys, okay. They're enjoying the video. And it's created, guys, impressive, very cool. To save, click here on Download, and it's going to choose the folder where you want to save that video. The video is in MP4 format. Just click Save to save your avatar made with artificial intelligence. So in this video, you learned how to create an avatar with artificial intelligence. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks.